Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we'll discuss the concept of operator overloading using friend function. Like last time we were using member functions and we were using the operator function as a member function. Now we'll be using them as friend function. So similarly, if I'm talking about a unary operator overloading, I am assigning one thing that I'm doing plus obj over here. So guys, plus obj will also call a friend function also. How you have to do friend function concept is, it is declared inside the class, defined outside the class, and object is always passed as an argument. So the moment you written a followed by obj2 and we'll try to call using a particular object of this particular scenario. So I'm writing obj dot show and will show the particular scenario. You have written a followed by obj2. It means firstly what we'll do is we'll create a class a. We have to create a parameterized constructor int a public, a parameterized constructor int x is there, and a value is assigned as x. This is for this. For calling it using friend function, what I'll write, friend void, there is no returning to any value, so I'm writing void operator plus, and in friend function object is always passed as an argument, so you just write a followed by address of obj. We have declared it inside the class, and obviously we'll write void show, which will display the value of this. So class is closed, guys. I have to apply friend function outside the class, defined it outside the class. So what we'll do is we'll create void operator plus a address of obj. So what we have to do, we can access the value of this and we can increment the value accordingly. So I can write obj dot a is equal to plus obj dot a. So just I have written, or I increment the value, obj dot a is equal to obj dot a plus, let's say, 1. I can access it, obviously access this data member also. So that's what I have just basically done. The moment I write this, our constructor gets called, a value gets the x value gets 2, so a value is equal to 2 over here. The moment I write this plus obj, this function gets called, and obj value earlier it had 2 for a, now obj dot a, which was 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, right? And then I'm just writing obj dot show, it will show the value of obj, which is updated to 3 after defining the friend function, and our answer eventually will come as 3. That's how you apply a friend function to it. Declared inside the class, use it outside the class, and always remember object is passed as an argument. So if you are returning any object to any value, or if you, let's say I'm writing obj2 is equal to plus obj, then the return type will be changed. But for that, this is the return type, since we are using unary operator overloading. So if you like this video, kindly like, share, subscribe. If you have any doubt, put it in comment section. Thank you very much for your support.